I'm Neela Majumdar with Earth Day Network, and I'm here at ESEDS School of Design, and I'm delighted to see that the students are really thinking about sustainability even in their final collections. So it's really amazing what they've done, where they've been inspired by space, by what if one had to live underwater, what if one had to live in nature. So all these various inspirations have really matured, and they have done an excellent job, and I congratulate them on their wonderful efforts.
Hey guys, I'm at the ESEDS, the School of Design. I think it's a total privilege and an honor to be here. Seeing the work of the students, the way they've put in the effort using recyclable stuff, it's really good, and every piece is very innovative and different from one another, and wishing them all the best. It was a total privilege to be here to see the kind of collection they have, and thank you so much ESDS for inviting me, and wishing all the students the very best.
Very creative ideas done by the students of the ESEDS School of Design, and very happy to see that what they have done. It's like fabulous work they have done. And all the paintings and the cloth designs and everything on the fabrics and the wall art done by the fabrics, it was fabulous. And I really liked the work.
Yeah, I really appreciate the hard work, the work they have done. It's really amazing. I just loved it.
What I like about the entire exhibition is that it is very interactive, and it actually nurtures the creativity of each and every individual, the students. And what I like is that the focus is on sustainability. This entire institute, I feel like there is this space where we are talking about what will happen to the future. There's this installation of a bed, of a tree, where everyone has written small notes on how they want to see the future. So I think that's very interesting. I wish that this only grows and it becomes much better, and one day we see all these installations and art pieces in one of the international galleries, and for the curators to come and really see what they are creating.
কেমন লাগতো বলতে মানে তো আমি তো স্পিচলেস, কি বলবো আমি বুঝতে পারছি না। হ্যাঁ, মানে আমি আজকে সানডেতে আসলাম সময় বের করে, হ্যাঁ, মানে এটাকে সাইডে রেখেছিলাম রাদার, কি অন্য কাজের সাথে সাথে এটা দেখে নেবো বলে। কিন্তু এখানে আসার পরে দেখছি তো মানে হিউজ মিস্টেক করতাম যদি আমি এখানে না আসতাম আর কি। মানে ফ্যাবুলাস ওয়ার্ক, মেসমারাইজিং, আর এত সুন্দর মানে আর এফর্ট দেখা যাচ্ছে কাজের মধ্যে। আমার মানে গুজবাম হচ্ছে আমার, মানে রীতিমতো মানে দারুণ কাজ, মানে অসাধারণ। যার ডেপথ ওর মধ্যে, কাজের মধ্যে, ডিটেলিংয়ের মধ্যে, হ্যাঁ, মানে অসাধারণ। আর এই ফিউচারিস্টিক চিন্তাভাবনা, বাপরে, আমি যদি এই সময় থাকতাম তো আমি পেরে উঠতাম না, টু বি ভেরি অনেস্ট। দারুণ।
সো বেসিক্যালি আমি একজন আর্কিটেকচার স্টুডেন্ট, সো আমি জাস্ট জয়েন করলাম কলেজ। তো এখানে এসে আমি প্রচণ্ড বেনিফিটেড, লাইক আই গট টু সি হাউ টু মেক মডেলস, অ্যান্ড ইনফ্যাক্ট দ্য কনসেপ্ট লাইক ফিউচারিস্টিক ওয়ার্ল্ড, হাউ দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড ইজ গোয়িং টু বি ইন দ্য নেক্সট ফিউ ইয়ার্স। সো ওটাকে কনসেপ্টটাকে ধরে রেখে যে মডেলস বা চিন্তাভাবনা এটাকে প্রেজেন্ট করা, ইটস আনবিলিভেবল অ্যান্ড ভেরি ডিটেলড ওয়ার্ক। ইটস outstanding. I just loved it.
The exhibition is really good, and all the students have done a really amazing job, and the best part of the whole exhibition is how they have actually taken up the point of sustainable fashion, and how they have actually shown that if you do not follow a sustainable fashion, it will be really difficult.
So I just happened to see the ad on Instagram, and I was like, I had to visit this place. I've been a student of SS, and I believe what they're focusing on, like sustainable design, it's been the future of design. And definitely the work is wow. The students, what they have executed is just amazing, and I'm really carried away with the kind of usage, especially the sari. I would say how they've created one piece out of a sari without cutting it, how they have reused and recycled it.
I am Swastika. It's amazing to be here. It's amazing work, and I really like the way the entire piece has been designed, and also the work of the student. All the very best. Keep the fire on, do be creative, and hopefully I'll see more interesting work in future. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Mahesh and I'm a fashion faculty. I witnessed the exhibition which was displayed by the students, and the work was quite creative and aesthetic, and the ambience of the institute was also good. So I must say that the students are really creative and the faculties are really working hard on them. So all the best to the students.
So I came for this exhibition today by the students of the ESEDS College, and I think it's absolutely amazing. Like, I loved everything that you guys have curated, and it is so informative, and yeah, I really enjoyed it.
I think all the students are very talented, and I was impressed to see so much like versatile work, like in terms of textiles, fashion, and even like different product designs. Like, it was amazing, and I would love to come back again for another exhibition very soon.
So happy to be back to our college. It's been long that I came here, and I'm so happy that the students are doing such an amazing job. The exhibition is seriously very beautiful, and it shows how much hard work and how much efforts from ESEDS are being put to get such creativity out from the students. So all the best to the new talent.
Hi, it's Harshal. I'm an ex-student of this, and it feels wonderful coming back to my college and seeing young students and young talent showcasing their work and their ideas. So I mean, it's amazing to see so much of creativity and hard work over here, and I wish all the best to the emerging designers and students of ESEDS.
I really think so. I'm blessed to have here as a student of this college, because very intricately I have learned everything over here, and it is exactly the best institute in Kolkata which I found, where I can learn many concepts, many things, and everything has been beautifully designed and beautifully crafted with every detail of the silhouette which has been made.
So attention to detail is amazing. The creativity and skill can be shown through every stitch. It was a lovely experience. Beautifully crafted pieces. Would love to visit again.
It was really amazing, and it's very unique to this that ESEDS is approaching through art, whatever the going to sustainability, going to a sustainable future, and definitely this is the need of the hour, that our future needs to be sustainable.
It was amazing actually. It's very humbling to see how far ESEDS have come. I have nothing but great wishes for this place, and I hope it becomes something one day. And everyone should be they should get to see how ESEDS is evolving in the field of fashion and sustainability.
Hi everyone, this is Sajal Jain, and thank you so much Alok sir for calling me to the exhibition. I really loved the work. The students have worked very hard. I can seeing the photos, I can imagine the hard work they have put in, and there are very few interesting pieces, especially over here the shirt collection. I love the collection. Like, they're just newcomer students and they have worked very nicely. So I hope students are getting very good, and ESEDS have got a lot more talent this year. All the best to the college and the students.
Hello, my name is Oyonisha. We are ex-students of ESEDS School of Design. This event was a very innovative creation, and I loved all the products that the students made, especially the shirts with the concept of the eye.
It's very nice coming here and looking at the exhibition. ESEDS School was always very good, high quality, and the exhibition actually show what they're capable of and what they're doing. It's very nice to be here, and it's very futuristic.
To be very honest, I have been associated with this school for a really long time, let's say the beginning of my career, and to see the people evolve so much, like the designers who I have worked with before and these designers who have come up with something which is so out of the box, because every piece that I saw was so futuristic, and every designs that I saw of the fashion design department was, I somewhere feel like is made for the market which is running wild right now. So it's full of fire, it's full of ambition. Along with that, the inculcation of the interior design team with the fashion department is something which is so exquisitely done out here, is like you cannot find the difference between them. So I really appreciate that fact that, you know, the design element is taught really well here, and students are being able to explore every possibilities being sustainable, which is very important in this world today.
This is probably one of the best exhibits in this city, I think, and also in India probably, because I don't think that there are many schools which are focusing on sustainable fashion. So this is not something which is promoting fast fashion. It's about sustainability, and it's about how to upcycle and use materials that are already available and can be used for a longer time rather than like repurchase or rebuy or throw out stuff. So that initiative is great. Plus I like the idea of the portals that they have done, like the jungle portal or the space portal underwater. I like the way they have used these pipes and oxygen mask references, scuba divers, VR. Like, I really like the irises, the eyes being the center of the portal. I think that's a very cool concept. And also the references to certain designers also I found very interesting, that there are certain clothing that are inspired by Picasso and his cubism and his different eyes coming together. And also the light installations, some of the mini houses made by the interior students are great, and they are also like made to the detail and very, very well finished, and you can really see that they have come to their final year and put in all the efforts.
Today I am here in the exhibition NEOM 24 by ESEDS School of Design, which delves into the reality of today's world, where AI is taking over and people are more introduced to fast fashion and less introduced to sustainability. NEOM brings the reality of how we need to stop using fast fashion and start getting into sustainability by using alternative methods and everything, so that the garbage created is less and the world is more pure and a cleaner place to live in for the upcoming generations.
I'm so glad that I got to come here. I really like looking at expressions of art, especially like contemporary expressions of art. And here it's like I saw a little bit of everything. This room specifically, the first thing I thought was, oh, it's so brutalist, right? And it immediately like subverts my expectations and becomes very colorful. I really love the space room, mainly because I really am a fan of like big shapy boots, but also because I really love how they've played with the silhouettes. I feel like fashion needs to do that more, play with human silhouette. This one made such a huge mark on me, because like also I grew up with Batul the Great comics, and leather itself so hard to work with. And also big shape. It fulfilled like so many check marks that I didn't even know that I had.
Well, I really loved the entire thing. The concept is really futuristic. It's really innovative, and I think that the way it's been presented through dimensions, the theme of sci-fi, I think I have never seen anything like this before. The concepts and how they fuse traditional art with modern art. So I really loved it.
খুব আর কি বিউটিফুল লাগছে, এবং আপনাদের যে এত বড় আর কি প্রচেষ্টা, এটাকে আর কি খুব আর কি কুর্নিশ জানাই আমি। তো সেই হিসাবে এইরকম আমার এই এটা আর কি এই মেয়ের জন্য আমার এটা আর কি দেখতে পেলাম যে এত ভালো জিনিস এখানে তৈরি হয়।
মেয়ের দৌলতে এখানে আসা। প্রথমে একটা চিন্তাধারা ছিল ফ্যাশন ডিজাইন মানে হচ্ছে জামা কাপড় ফ্যাশনস, কিন্তু এখানে যে হাতের কাজগুলো শেখানো হচ্ছে সেটা যেমন মানে ভ্যারাইটিস টাইপসের ওপরে কালচার করা হচ্ছে।
মেয়ের অনেক দিনের এটা মানে পড়ার স্বপ্ন ছিল ছোট্ট থেকে, তাই এটা যে ও ঢুকে করতে পারছে নিজের খুশি অনুযায়ী, এটাই আমার আনন্দ। হ্যাঁ, মেয়ে ছোটোবেলা থেকেই, ওই জন্য মেয়ে যে এখানে কাজ করছে ওর নিজের একটা আনন্দ, আমার দেখেও শান্তি, কেন ও এটা সবসময় ভালোবাসতো।
ওয়ার্কশপে এসে বেশ ভীষণই ভালো লাগলো, প্রত্যেকটা প্রোডাক্ট খুব সুন্দর, জিনিসগুলো খুব ভালো হয়েছে, সব কাজ ইন্টেরিয়ার ফ্যাশন সব ভালো কাজ হয়েছে। মেয়ের কাজ তো ভালো লেগেইছে।
আমার ভালো লেগেছে, আর মেয়ের কাজ তো সবসময় দেখেই যাচ্ছি সকাল সন্ধে।
হয়, মোৰ নাম অঞ্জু বড়ো, মই গুৱাহাটীৰ পৰা আহিছোঁ। মই কলকাতাত এতিয়া আহি কিনে মানে ইমানেই ভাল পাইছোঁ, মানে এক্সিবিশ্যন চাই কিনে মানে কোনোতো মানে কম বেছি নাই, মানে সকলো ফালৰ পৰা মানে সমান। তাৰমানে এনেকুৱা মানে দেখা নাছিলোঁ তাৰমানে কেতিয়াও, তাৰমানে বহুতেই ভাল লাগিছে তাৰমানে ইয়াতে আহি কিনে মানে কি ক'ম তাৰমানে আৰু আগলৈকে আগুৱাই যাওক, তাৰমানে সেইটোৱে মানে প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিছোঁ আৰু ভগৱানৰ ওচৰত, মানে বহুত আৰু তাৰমানে বহুত
খুব ভালো লাগছে। প্রত্যেকটা আমার মেয়ে এখানে যেহেতু পড়ে, ওর সব ওদের যে ক্রিয়েশন দেখে খুব ভালো লাগলো আমাদের।
First, I got to know about this exhibition through a WhatsApp message, and I was really intrigued by the theme of this, like the cosmography and the cosmos. So when I entered, I first saw the ocean, noise of ocean collection and the cosmos one. I really love how they used the materials and they reused all these sustainable materials. The theme of the entire exhibition, it's really cool, and I've never really seen an exhibition before this. So all of the stuff made by the students and their efforts, it took the time they took to make such a beautiful exhibition, and the way it was presented and the execution of the entire exhibition, it's really nice to see it. Everything was really very pretty, and it was designs and everything that they have shown in this exhibition. They really brought out the theme for the exhibition that they've planned. Overall, it was really nice to see such an exhibition. Thank you.